Put garlic, tomato, yogurt, red chili powder, turmeric, salt and grind them. Put grind material in pan and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Add cooking oil. Keep cooking until the oil and masala separate from each other. Now add cream and mix it. Add koftas and fry for some time. Stir softly and gently. Add water and pressure to cook for 7 minutes. Remove the lid and more cook on high flame until gravy turns into thick as your desire. Add green chili and put out the flame and cover the lid. Dish out the kofta curry. Kofta curry is ready.